Welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the incredible permanent outdoor lights, a 100-foot marvel with 60 RGB LEDs that promise to transform your outdoor space with vibrant, customizable lighting. These smart lights offer 44 scene modes and endless DIY possibilities, all easily controlled through an app on your phone, making them perfect for daily use or festive occasions like Christmas and Halloween. Designed with a unique curved clear lens, these lights provide a stunning wall wash effect that enhances your home's aesthetics and makes it the talk of the neighborhood. Built to last, they feature high-quality PVC and UV-resistant materials with an IP65 waterproof rating, ensuring they withstand harsh weather conditions and temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, boasting an impressive lifespan of up to 80,000 hours. With smart app and voice control compatibility, including Alexa, Google Assistant, and TUYA, you can effortlessly change the lighting with simple voice commands. Installation is a breeze. Just clean the wall, position the lights 2 to 4 inches away, secure them with the provided adhesive or screws, and get ready to enjoy a spectacular light show. So, whether you're looking to elevate your home's exterior or create the perfect holiday atmosphere, these permanent outdoor lights are your go-to solution for year-round brilliance. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.